It's another cold, miserable day. Not miserable, is it? No, it's another cold, grey day. And thankfully the rain has gone away, so I can get the stuff out of my shed to do some work. I've now consolidated all the remains onto one pallet, so I've used up a fair bit of stuff. So that's handy. Let's see what we can get up to in the building site today. But on the way past, look at that view. That's a big ship there on the horizon. So I think I'll make a start on the ceiling today. It's a ceiling kind of day. My plan at this stage is still to do a double height ceiling. What I mean is the height here will be different to the height here. I'm going to have a ceiling here and a ceiling here, and then this will be like a drop down ceiling with the lights behind it reflecting. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. High possibility I'll change my mind and do it all one level. It's 0.6 of 1 degree, 0.5 of 1 degree from that end to that end, and roughly 6 degrees dip from side to side. Get up there. It's close enough that I'll be able to do some brackets there. Okay, I've got 3 sticks just sitting up there. I'll get that one first. I'll get it level and screwed to the studs, and then I'll put noggins between the rest. 400 centers. Get the big guns. Yeah. I bought a new ladder the other day. A heavy duty one for handling heavy duty blokes like me. But I keep trying to put my foot up on the 3rd step, and there is no 3rd step. So I bought the wrong ladder. Gotcha. I'm going to have to take down this dust barrier if I want to finish that ceiling into there. Get the two married up. I have got this half of the recessed ceiling battened out. Now, except that I knew that the railway track was lower as it went that way. So now that I've got everything level in this direction, now I need to level it in this direction. So I've worked out already that rafter needs 8mm shimming, that needs 18mm shimming, and that needs 21. So I'll just cut some battens to put along those, and that should have it flat in that direction. And everything is already flat in that direction. And then I can put up some plasterboard, and that would make me feel I've made a lot of progress. Tried to demonstrate wind through my hair, but that didn't work. So carrying sheets of brittle plasterboard on my roof, probably not a good idea today. I spent the last half hour looking for the GoPro. It was there on the bench the whole time, but every time I went to look somewhere else, I got squirreled into another little repair job or other. But I'm back now. So when I left off last time, I think I was putting up rafters over there. Off camera, I have now put up the sheeting. I had a bit of fibre board left over from the bathroom, so that's done up there. I had an offcut of plasterboard for there, 2 offcuts. And I'm doing something else completely different for up here, so that to come in a later video probably. But for now, I'm going to plaster the ceiling. We got a tradesman in to do the bathroom ceiling, to plaster it, and I thought he was going to plaster it with a trowel, the whole thing, and make it all nice and beautiful, but all he did was fill the cracks and the screw holes, and that was it. And I thought, I could do that, so I'm going to do that. I've been procrastinating like a real pro, putting it off, but today's the day. We've got to sand that stupid ceiling. I said that didn't take long, and I'm happy enough with the result. Lick of paint on there now, be terrific. Rosie normally does the painting, but she and Aisling are away on a little holiday at the moment, so I'm cracking on to make good progress while they're away.